Harvest, so Saturday again. Oh,
It's Friday.
oh, it's no.
It's a public holiday.
How many times have I said it's Saturday today?
Don't worry, I've also thought it a few times.
I want to show everybody that sunflower over there. Are you checking for a watermelon?
Yeah, I'm just checking.
I mean, just show them the perspective. That one, I want to eat that one.
This one.
Yeah. How heavy do you think it is?
About 9 kilograms.
Only 9. Oh. I think it should be like 16 or something like that. Just look at this beauty. Okay, this is not the best time of the day to be making a video. Maybe I'll try again this evening. It is now right in the middle of the afternoon. So only one, you think, maybe because the plant has died.
Yeah.
And these watermelons are growing viciously. But some of them are also going down now, which tells us that the watermelons are almost ready to harvest. But they just wow, look at that one. Is it starting to go down? Not yet. Not yet. Okay. Yeah, I was just thinking because we had the hail damage and everything that maybe the plants will ripen the fruit a little bit faster. Yeah, so the brush cutter is still not here. We really need a brush cutter. But now we're not waiting for Ryobi anymore, we're waiting for the courier services.
Yes. No, Ryobi fixed it already, so.
Yeah. So, let's go see. I think Monday, Anton says they're starting to bring in people to harvest. And we'll see. There's still some blossom and drought, but I think we're almost there.
Yep.
I think we're beginning with at the beginning of the beginning. I wonder if there's a watermelons in here.
I don't think so. I think there's a lot of vines.
Yeah, because they are running on the tomato schedule. And fertilizing program. So maybe too much aerium, nitrogen, urea, all those things above. Yes, I pack my stuff away, then I make Anton go look for it again. Because then I get inspiration for a project. And because we don't live in a civilized situation, everything is in boxes in storage. So, yeah. We're eating onions. You can see we're eating onions. This vegetable garden is just coming in at the right time because, yeah, it's been a rough year. Financial.
Rough week.
This has been a rough week, yeah, but I mean, it's been a rough financial year. Everything is just overgrown. I can't wait for it to look like this part on Fortress. We're working on it. It's a mess here. We've just been putting everything down here. Anton is busy with the garbage and compost.
I'm actually washing the garbage can.
Yeah.
It's time to wash it.
Yeah, but you can't do anything because
I'm actually busy with it.
yeah, but we can't do anything because of all the rain. Okay, so let's see. Okay, go for it.
So,
Let's see if we're eating watermelon or if the cattle are eating watermelon. It's not supposed to be ready yet. So 2 weeks. Not a bit pink. Looks like a watermelon. Smells like a watermelon. Does it taste like a watermelon?
I think so. A little bit, but you can taste we've been having a lot of rain.
It's very watery,
Mm.
but it's good. It's just dripping. Are you gonna butcher it for us?
Okay.
It'll eat. Anyway. Well, let me show you. Okay, so it's everywhere now. It was only over there. Now it's here. It's there. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Anton's got a stream flowing here, so it helps a bit. Oh, the little butternuts that didn't rot is probably gonna rot now. I'm just thankful it took some off. Yeah, so it's bursting and our tomatoes are bursting. So I don't know what Namibia will eat this year. Because I know it's not just us. I don't know what Namibia is going to eat this year. Because I know it's not just us. I think some farmers have it worse.
Yeah, I'm sure some farmers have it a lot.
But it doesn't minimize our problems and our... So Anton is now worried that with all the water, the plants will start rotting off. And we are starting to harvest on Monday. I mean, we have some beautiful tomatoes. That's rain, hail damage. And this is just mud and mud. I'm actually on my way down to show how high the water is up again. I don't know what to do. Will we stay? Will we go? The Lord will tell us. Right now, I don't know where you could farm that doesn't look like this. Honestly. Maybe on a hill. There's no hills where we live. So let's just pray it all doesn't rot off. That the sun comes out and dries up. At least we had 2 or 3 days without rain. So yeah. Sunflowers are open. They are a ray of sunshine. I'm just tired of it. Huh? I'm tired of people telling us, oh, be grateful for all the rain. Honestly, I don't know how to be grateful for all this water anymore. It's too much destruction, too many people without houses. I don't even know how we will get our tomatoes to town on Monday without a road. And there's no road anymore.
Not from here, no.
Not away in Buffy, not through the pans, not even around the pan. Maybe I'll go and walk there by that fence over there. It's net 'n rivier. Huh? I mean, usually Omaya looks like it's high, but it feels like it sank into the earth. Ah. Well, you could build a house here and be fine. Oh, that's what Anton is maybe wondering. Should we build a house here and stay here and keep on planting here and living here? So Anton has got many decisions to make for the future. I just don't know anymore. I'm tired of worrying. Look at that, people, their land is underwater. There's no way to walk. You're gonna walk through water. Every month just before we need to go do grocery shopping. I don't even know where that water is supposed to go. Well, let's go see the fence line. The cattle loves this area. For now, the shelter is out of the water for now. Yeah, we can make as many plans in life as we want, but we never know what disaster will befall the land. Can't get bitter about it. It's nature. But yeah, a lot of people always wonder, why do we live here? Why don't we live somewhere else? Well, this is the place we could afford. But even now, with all this damage, can we really afford to keep on living like this? That's the question.
It is the question, and that's what part of my thoughts are and things that I have to think about is there is one or two options available for us outside of here, and it's stuff that I have to think of. The one option is totally stop farming
And go look for a job.
Yeah, look for a job.
We are walking in the water. Wow, is it water?
Yeah.
Is it? What is this? It's not pulled up, but yeah.
The ground is saturated.
Saturated.
Not taking in any more water.
No.
That's
The
part
problem.
of the problem that I have with water is no, wait, just wait.
Sorry.
If we fill in, are we going to sit with the same problem even if we fill in? That the ground's going to be saturated to the stage.
I just wanted to say, I think it's pretty saturated.
Yeah, no, I know. Now it's pretty saturated, but I mean, the water subsides and we fill it in with ground. Will it be worth it? Well,
so this is where the tree was hit. And then another tree on the way to Mbafi was also hit, and it killed 3 cattle. This killed our solar system.
Yeah.
We have no more solar. Like this month, we have no food in our fridge. There's no fridge running, so we lost all our meat and everything for the whole month. We are now living off our land, vegetables and eggs and rice, as long as it lasts. We didn't plan for any of this. So even laundry now has to go onto the generator. but the generator costs petrol. So we didn't have that in the budget. At least you don't have to water the fields. So,
Nope.
I mean, I don't know, I just feel like I do not have the strength for this. Oh, every year, these last 3 years, has been a battle. It's been a battle with the rain. It's been a battle with losing our crops. It's been a battle with the grass. It's just endless battles, and it's exhausting. It drains you. It's not that we don't have faith and we don't believe and that we are negative about life. It's just sometimes it's too much. But what can you do? You keep on doing what you're doing. We don't have choices. Some people say, "Oh, why don't you get refugee status for America?"
Not an option.
We live in Namibia. Anton is a Namibian. He's not. She's chasing them away from a bone, as if they're gonna eat a bone. Sjoe. Maar look.
Dis hoekom ek nooit hier so uitgebrei het.
Yeah, that's why we never planted here. That's why we could never extend the land.
No matter what the rain season is, this is always the water.
Yeah, this is like clay. Yeah.
I'm sure if you put extra effort in and organic material.
Yeah. If you're not dependent on the income.
You spend thousands and thousands of dollars, you will get this to be better at the stage.
They are happy. Cattle. And they are not sick. Thank the Lord for that. They are not sick. Hallo boetonkie. Kom zo niet, hè? Maar hy speel nie.
Nee, hy speel ook. Oh. Hy is nie baie groter as Konso, dis een as 'n ding. As sy so maak of sy so maak, dan is dit nie speel.
Koi. Kry as jy lelik. So Anton finally returned with a brush cutter. He wanted to mow some grass. I wanted to say lawn. We don't have a lawn. We grow the grass for the animals. We don't grow a lawn. We grow grass for the animals. But it looks like another storm is on the horizon.
Yep, feels like it.
It's freezing. That's when there's ice cold. And we've had now about 48 hours of no rain. But look at the wind. Look at what the wind just did. It just broke this tree. And this is why we can't just build something out of sticks and some zincs. We need to build it structurally sound. Because it breaks trees. It breaks everything. It's very, very destructive. Look at this grass. Oh my goodness. It's cold. Look at this grass. Ah, I wonder if I should go pull those onion bulbs before it rains. Look at this. Oh, it looks like the Oshana has waves. Let's go see. Manu and Titus are still, they are cleaning this bed of tomatoes now. Let's go see those waves. Looks like we live by the ocean. There by the sea. Well, I hope you can hear me. So I pulled my ngwazi because they are finished. They are not gonna do anything anymore. They've died off, so they are still tiny. But what I can do now is save them. Once the roots go dormant, I can plant them again in maybe 6 to 8 weeks, and then they will sprout again, and then they will because an onion is a biannual plant. They will set seed then faster. Yeah, I think it was just not the ideal conditions for them. First time I planted ngwazi, which is fine. We all live and learn. But that's quite a few little onions, and they will have a head start. So yeah, it's not a loss at all. It's just seed for the next season. Look at these Australian browns. They are bulbing up. I've never had them bulb. This plastic has just made all the difference. I still have to thin out all this red Creole. I hope you can still hear me. So they can bulb up, but it's fun. They are a long day onion anyway. So yeah, the butter plants didn't fare so well, but they never do they? So time maybe for a change over there. Maybe some zucchinis now. But yeah, it's looking good. Starting to rain. But I wanted to get these ones out before the rain makes them rot. There's still a few. They might do something and they might not. Anton and the guys still have to clean this bed because I really want to plant some of the kohlrabi, maybe all of the kohlrabi here. Will be a good follow-up crop. But look at that being going on that roses. You don't even see the rose bushes anymore. But yeah, looks like rain again. We don't want it. We really don't. But Anton is just quickly going through, testing the brush cutter and cutting me some paths. I can't tell you. Look at my garden. Doesn't this look good enough to eat? Anyhow. Oh, excuse me. So this is now the grass being cut. Yeah, I can cut the grass. I can clean the grass. Can walk in it. This is now. I'm not sentimental about this tree, but it was giving some protection. It will grow again. I mean, it's not dead. It's just broken. It's kind of like life. Life doesn't always kill us. It just Ooh, I think we have some mite issues in my plants. They are white as snow. Anyhow, so feeling somewhat glad we didn't plant all these plants over on Fortress right now. My ZZ plant looks like it needs a little bit of fertilizer. Coffee tree is still doing well. Everything is not doing too bad. Not the roses really needed to be in the ground, but right now they just need to keep on doing what they're doing because we can't move anything right now. We just can't wait for this grass to be gone. So I'll keep you updated about these onions and show you how we plant them when they're ready. They will tell us when they're ready. I'm making some rosemary plants. Look at all that new growth. Oh my goodness. Isn't that amazing? Through all this new growth on all of them. Yeah, so I want to make rosemary hedges on Fortress on the pathways after we left it as well. So still a lot of work to do on Fortress to recover. We'll do it. I'm glad I didn't put my jasmine in there. So we'll see when the water recedes and it stops raining if I have trees left. I don't know. Don't know right now.